Hi, this is the Towerfan I ordered from Amazon. This is MYLEK and 48-inch black Towerfan. So this is what it came from Amazon. Let's open it and see. So this is it. This is it. Firstly, we attach both two of these parts together like this, and it goes on the top of here, and with the four screws provided, we can fix the bottom part. That's all. Before you fixing these two parts, make sure this wire goes inside here, otherwise you won't be able to fix it properly. Yes, so it should be like this. The wire should come inside the hole. Then align the hole, four holes, and we can fix the screws. So after fixing the screws, it will be like this, and you can pass the wiring through the cable, power cable. That's all done. Now we can use the fan. So this is it, fan. Now it is showing the room temperature 21 degrees Celsius. The fan is 48-inch high, that is 1 meter and 22 centimeter. That's high enough to blow the air to the to the bed without any problem. That's the maximum speed. And you can see the air go across the room. That's powerful. And also you have the remote to operate. So the remote has display on off setting. You can adjust the speed. We can swing. This is a swing function. And it has the swing off, and it has the ionizing. We can ionize the air, and also it has the timer. We can adjust the timer 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour, 11 hour, 12 hour. That's it. 12 hours. Up to 12 hours we can put the timer on. So this is it. It's a decent size fan, good, powerful, like it, value for the money. Thank you so much for watching.